Okay, so as most of you know, I had an Xbox and I unboxed it. So now I'm going to re-unbox it because my Xbox is kind of messing up. But even though I did not have Red Ring of Death, it's kind of just acting kind of dumb. So actually I'm going to re-unbox it. I already have put the games in here. If you can see that. I already put the game in there. You can't see it probably, but the game's in there. So now I'm just going to basically put everything back in. So I'm going to put the AV cables in here. AV cables are going to be put right back in here. Okay, so your AV cables are in there. The controller, which is going to be right in here. I'm going to actually take my rechargeable pack off of it. So I'm going to go get over here. And I have my actual battery pack, so I had a rechargeable thing. So now, there you go. So let's put this down. Alright, so now I'll put that back in there. Alright, there's your controller. I'm trying to put everything back in here neatly so I can get my full Xbox back. Here's actually the hard drive. I'm keeping it since I already have saved data on her, so I'm just going to keep that. Now I'm going to put this in here, my headset. Stupid bag. Alright, so there is your headset. Now I'm going to put the power brick in here. Gosh, these bags are idiotic. There we go. There's your power cable, power brick. Here is your power cable, power cord, I guess you could say. Later on, I'm going to take this back and I'm going to get another one. So I'm going to do another unboxing video. Of course, with another Xbox 360 Elite. So, yeah. After I do my other unboxing video, I'll do a video of me. I'm going to get Halo 3, I think. Okay, there's your power cord. Power cable. And now, we actually have the system, which and here's the system. Yeah. So now I'll put this back in here. It's pretty heavy, so there you go. Your nice Xbox right there. So now we're going to put everything back in the box. Okay. Alright. So, here we go. didn't actually use the Ethernet cable because I already had my own setup, so I didn't use it. So here we go. Put the headset back in there. Try to put this all back in here neatly. So, like I said before, I get my fork credit off of it. We're gonna put the power cable right in here. We're going to put a nice large power brick in here also. It's kind of difficult holding the camera and doing this all with one hand, so. No, the camera's kind of not in the brightest light. Alright, power cable. Here's your controller, and here is your AV cables, and that's it for that part, I think. I'll try to get it to shut. Not gonna happen. I'm trying to get this stupid thing to shut now. Alright, that'll be about that. We're gonna put the game in here now. Stupid box. There we go. There's your game. We'll put this on this side. And do it like that. Alright. We're going to put the manuals back in here. Right there. And now we put the system right back in here. There you go. And close the box. If I can do so. The box is kind of tearing, so alright. That's as good as it's gonna get. Alright, so there you go. The system right there, all back in the box. I'm very proud of myself. I think I did a pretty good job. But I'm gonna bring the hard drive just in case they want it back, so but hopefully they don't, so I can keep all my saved data. And then I'm also let's hold that for a second. I'm also going to be trading in these two games. FIFA Soccer 07, since I already have 2010, what do you call it, South Africa, and this is NBA Ballers. Just trying to make sure they're all in this thing. Alright, there you go. I don't know if you can see that all the way. NBA Ballers, chosen one. And then you have FIFA Soccer 2007. Alright, I already have like enough money to get Halo. I just want to trade in these games. I never play them. Okay, and there you go. Got the hard drive, my two games, and this is them all back in the box. This is Little Boss, the Little Boss number 2. Please comment, subscribe, and rate 5 stars because that always helps me. And please subscribe and comment. That's important too. But thank you, and tune in later for my another unboxing.